guys, I'm filming my every night, just my skincare routine. I don't know why I'm making extra. So, yeah, let's just go for it. First thing I do when I come home from work, I use this makeup remover, Garnier Miracell cleansing water. I put it in this little nail plump thing, so because it's so much easier to do it. I got this for like £2 from AliExpress. You guys don't know how good AliExpress is. It just makes my life easier. Okay, do you see that? No more pump it. Okay, you saw that? My face may not be that dirty. It'd be funny. Yeah, anyway, it is a bit dirty. After that, I use exfoliating wipes. I always cut these wipes, like tear them in half, because I don't need to use a full one unless I'm like, because I just do like that and I just, I'm a cheapskate, guys. I don't know if I made that clear enough. Especially my nose, I do this because it helps with like, you know, like the bumps. And it's good because if you see these beads, it really helps to like exfoliate. I use this so then I don't have to get up to the bathroom and like because this picks up all the dry skin and keeps it in the tissue. 20p I think, or 50p for the whole bag. And that is how I try to exfoliate every night. I sometimes use this on my lips as well to make it look more plump. Okay, now before I put cream on, I'll put a serum. Both of them are vitamin C. This is for brightening. I don't use this every day. I'll do this like weekly, and when it's not too sunny, otherwise it'll burn. Obviously at night then it'll be okay. I'll apply this vitamin C serum to all the dark spots or dark areas, so it'll be like this whole area. And here and here, especially my eyelids and my forehead. It does work. It works really good. You can get it cheap online. Don't spend a fortune on vitamin C because it's easy to make. After I do that, I'll use this eye cream. Eye cream's really good for darkness. And I only got this because I was on sale. My friend got it. She's like, oh, let's try it. Like, I can find whatever. Let me try it a little bit. So if I show you like a bit, see. In the morning, it just looks a lot more plump and the lines don't show as much. So it's good for my age range, which is 20 to 30s. I made this eyelash growth serum. It's just a lot of mixture of oils I made. It's very like, eek, I'm gonna drop it. And then I just sort of just rub it on my eye. Oh, you can see my mic. Yeah, and then I just sort of just rub it on my eyelid as well. I rub it a little bit on my eyebrows. Just blend it out. And yeah, that's what I do. Last step is, this is my favorite cream to use. It's cocoa butter. This one I really like compared to the Palmer's one because it's not as oily. And honestly, I feel this one really brightens my skin a lot. And it just feels really nice. At first, when I first started using this, it did burn a little bit, but I have quite sensitive skin. Like if you look, it made it a bit red. But I swear, the night I use this, my skin really brightens up. When I do get spots, I use this cream. It's actually toothpaste. It's Sensodyne Rapid Relief. Let me put a bit in my hand so you can see. You see, it's very like sticky and it feels weird, but you know what? It does the job, okay? It really does get rid of my spots when I do have spots. I have one like, if you can see the side of my neck. I don't know how I get it. You know what? That could be a bite to fall out like that. And that is it. That is my skincare routine video. I'm also drinking tea right now. I use a straw, otherwise it makes your teeth go bad. Your teeth go brown. Bad or brown. Anyway. Do you guys like my gamer chair? Can't see the top of it. But yeah. Thank you for watching. That is the end of my skincare routine. I feel like there's a lot of steps in there. It's a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. But yeah, to be honest, most nights I just pretty much just use my cream and that's it. And that really brightens up my complexion a lot. Like the morning I wake up, I just feel like I'm glowing, like a glowing pinkish undertone because I'm very yellow and dull. The brightening thing is I'll do it on a weekly basis, if probably even less than that because I'm really lazy. And yeah, the eyelash treatment thing, I do all the time. Trying to make my eyelashes grow since I wore like eyelash extensions. Not a good idea, man. don't get eyelash extensions. If you really want to just practice putting fake eyelashes on. It's not worth it, guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day, okay? Mom's calling. But yeah, have a good day. Bye! I'm literally just wearing my gym clothes right now. Let's copy that. I just filmed my skincare routine, and you know what? The audio is so buzzy.